Vassilli is a manufacturing company present on Italian and international markets for over 50 years. The strength of our company lies in the closeness to people with disabilities, with special attention to all their needs. Thanks to our technical and innovative products and to our great experience, we are able to satisfy any request, even the most complicated ones, in order to improve everyday life. The fundamental rule on which the company is based is, if our customers ask for it, we can achieve it, because we are one of the few companies that has the knowledge and technology to make what is a desire a concrete reality. That's why our mission is to spend a lot of our work on research and innovation in order to design and produce devices with very high rehabilitation value, of excellent quality, and always with an eye to Italian design and style that defines our products. This is and will always be our goal.